Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today I'm going to be working on this lava bead jewellery kit from BeeBeeCraft. I will pop a link up in the eye to the unboxing of this. So this is the sort of bracelet we're going to be making today. It is a mixture of lava beads and semi-precious gems. The lava beads have this amazing quality of soaking up essential oils, and so they are great to carry a scent around with you all day. We've also, of course, got our elastic and our special trinkets and symbols that we can use to enhance this jewellery. I took my existing bracelet and used it as a guide for roughly how long I would need the elastic to be. And then I cut that a little longer than I wanted it to be so that I would have enough space for tying off at the end. Next, of course, all we need to do is to thread our beads onto the elastic. The beads have reasonably sized holes and the elastic doesn't fray at the ends, so it's quite easy to do this. You don't need a needle or anything. The main thing is just to remember to hold on to the other end of the elastic so the beads don't slide off onto the floor. I knew that I would need between 20 and 25 beads for each bracelet, so that was my sort of starting aim. Of course, you can plan out the design first, either on paper or by lining up the beads the way that you want them to be in the finished article. I added spacers between the groups of lava beads, and diamond painting trays come in very handy for holding your smaller beads while you are working. The kit also comes with special silver beads that are designed to help you hang charms from the bracelet. So do remember to include those along the way if adding a charm at the end is part of your design. Once you're happy with the length of your bracelet and the design that you've created, you can then bring both ends of the elastic together and tie them into a simple double knot. This elastic grips really nicely, so is very easy to secure, and then you can trim those ends and hide the knot within the hole of one of the beads. And there we go, beautiful, unique, custom jewellery. All that's left now is to add the charm. For this you will need some pliers and also a jump ring. The jump rings are supplied with the kit, so I like to use 2 pairs of pliers to open jump rings, but you can do it with a couple of pairs of tweezers. or even in worst case scenarios, you can do them by hand. Then it's just a matter of selecting which particular charm you want to add, hook that on to the jump ring, and then hook the jump ring onto the bracelet. Then close it up nice and securely using your pliers. And you're all done. Let's check out how it looks, and then we can get on to designing and making some more. I really like how this one turned out. I used the gemstones from the kit and used them to represent earth, air, fire, water and spirit. Once you start making these bracelets, it's really quite addictive. It's very meditative to put the beads together in their order, and it's not a messy craft, so it's great if you are someone that doesn't want to be working with glue all the time. So this is what I made for today. I've definitely got enough left to make at least another 3 bracelets, if not more. And obviously you can always supplement with your own beads. Thank you again to BeeBeeCraft for giving me this kit to review. I've had great fun working on it, and I'm really pleased with the results. If you want to get a set for yourself, remember to use code WITCH10 to save 10% off your entire order from BeeBeeCraft. Finally, a huge thank you to my generous patrons over on Patreon. I couldn't do this without you. And to everybody else that's watching, please do consider to leave a like, share, subscribe if you haven't already, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, stay crafty.